It's so long. Let's just say it took me forever to actually do this hair. I almost gave up halfway through, but we did it. We made it. I am going to. So the first thing you want to do is just take it section by section. So I'm just going to do it 2 by 2. So that's 6. So I picked up 6 braids. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you just braid. You want to braid it as tight as you can just because you want the curls to be tight. You don't want it to be like too loose. Rubber band. I'm not gonna need that many. But just grab a rubber band, put it at the bottom, just so it doesn't unravel. I've never actually done this method before, but like using the flexi rods to like curl the bottom. So I'm just gonna grab this, put it around. I've never actually used flexi rods before, so I never know if I'm doing it right. Hopefully it comes out good. I honestly don't know, but I guess we'll find out. This is how the first braid comes out. Mind you, it was like this long, and then when you curl it, it's this long. Like, there is such a difference. It's like 10 inches longer or shorter. So I'm just gonna keep doing that with the rest of the hair and go 2 by 2. So it's all done. So this is everything braided. Feels so weird. What if I just like went out like this? What do you do, baby? Do? Alright, so the water is done boiling. It's literally like boiling hot water. What I'm gonna do is put it in like, pour it in this cup and just dip it one at a time. So I usually put the towel around my neck. I don't recommend doing this at home by yourself. Definitely get somebody else to do it for you because I'm not responsible. As you can see, it's literally like boiling water that I have in this thing right here. And I dip it. control. Finally done. So everything was dipped in water, and now I just basically, I'm gonna make sure I didn't miss any. Now I just have to let it dry for like the full proper effect. You want to let it dry for a while. So I'm just gonna leave it while I like wash my face and everything else. If I had like a standing dryer, it would have been lit, but I do not, so I just have to let it air dry. Trying to soak out as much water as I can out of it. I'm really hoping this comes out good. If not, oh well. I'm keeping it for another week and then it's out here because I'm already having withdrawals to like take this hair out, and it's only been a week. It's gonna be exactly a week tomorrow. So fingers crossed. Okay, so I got really impatient and started to blow dry it because I just don't want this in my head anymore. It's still damp a bit, but it should be like good enough where you still see the effect. I'm just gonna do this one first because it's basically already coming out. Ooh. Alright. Curls are there. It's kind of crooked. Curls are popping. That's what the end looks like. And now it's like way shorter, of course, because it's like curly. The water splashed me in the face. The top part is still straight because, of course, I couldn't reach it. Hi guys, so I basically wanted to show you guys that I ended up cutting my hair into a bob right after curling it, just because like I thought I could do the length, but I could not. It was just so annoying. I kept sitting on it, it was too heavy, and I couldn't anymore. And of course I was also like itching to just change my hairstyle, but I couldn't take out the braids because I made a bet with my friend that I would keep it for at least 2 weeks. So this is literally gonna be 2 weeks tomorrow that I've had this hair now. But anyways, this is it. I cut it in a bob. I didn't put any rubber bands in the ends or anything. I just literally, right after dipping it in the water, once it was dry, I just chopped it. Literally just, it's not even, but I've loved having it in a bob like this because it's just been so comfortable, so like stress free on my hair. You barely feel like there's anything even, like I barely feel like there's anything on my head. It's just honestly been great. Like look at this, and the curls are still there. The curls are still there, guys. Like it's still popping. The edges are like just being disrespectful because they don't want to stay. I just laid it with like edge control this morning because I don't want to put gel in my hair anymore, so I'm gonna let it be. But it's already starting to come out. As you guys know, my hair is like really short, so like there's a lot of pullouts coming out in the back. But this hair is coming out tomorrow. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like in this bob that I basically just one night decided to chop it. But I definitely love it. I've literally had it like this since Friday. I think that's when I curled it. Friday. And it's looking so I'm probably gonna end up doing this again once I'm like over my next hairstyle. I'll braid it again and chop it. Maybe this time I'll leave it straight, but I think I like it better curly because it gives it a bit more volume, because I don't want to do way more braids than this, if it makes sense. Alright, I feel like I've been talking to this too long. But here, this is her